welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this hairstyle, what hair I use, and also how I lay my edges. It's pretty simple, really easy. I took a poll on my Instagram and you guys wanted a hair tutorial first, so this video is coming out first, and then my brow tutorial is coming out on Wednesday, so be looking out for that. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into this tutorial now. My hair is already pretty much wet, kind of damp under here. The color is like this reddish brown color. I'm gonna take this brush right here, but I have some conditioner in it right now, just a little bit, not too much, just so it can be easier to brush through. Continue to brush up until I feel like it's pretty much like in a upright kind of situation there. And then I'm going to take Eco Styler gel, and this particular gel right here is the black castor and flaxseed oil Eco Styler gel. It does have a strong hold, but it has less alcohol and things like that in it, so it's not going to be as hold as much as the other ones do. I also find that with the coconut oil one as well, and it kind of flakes up too, but it's still a great gel if you guys don't want to go the route of having too much alcohol into your gels. They do have a bit of alcohol in it, but not too much to where it's going to make your hair break. That's why a lot of people go towards the Eco Styler gels, because they're more healthier. They are a lot less damaging to the hair. But today I'm going to take my black castor and flaxseed oil gel. If you guys want to see how it looks. And I'm just going to take that on the back part of my hair. And then I'm going to take it on the sides. And then I'm going to take it in the front. Then I'm just going to brush, and I'm just going to brush all of that in. I can never get the back of my hair to be like super straight, like super clean. The black girl hair struggle is really real. This top part here, and really brush through that as well. Make sure I got all the tangles out. I remember when I couldn't put my hair into a bun because it was so short. It was still really short from when I cut it. So it's so cool to be able to, even if it's a little janky bun, like a little tiny bun, I still feel really proud that I can do that. So I'm gonna take 2 scrunchies, hair ties, 2 scrunchies, whatever, and then tie it around. So next I'm gonna take this Coco ponytail. The company is called Zuri, I believe, but this is the Miss Super Pony, and it's in the color number 4 because my hair is obviously really light now since I colored it. This is the texture of the ponytail. I really like this. It's super natural and not my hair texture, but I just like that it looks really loose. It's really loose waves. It's not even a curl. And this ponytail has 2 combs. It has 1 comb in the top and then 1 comb in the bottom. And I like to put a little bobby pin in the drawstring itself. So right here, I have a little bobby pin in the drawstring. And what I like to do is once I put my ponytail on, I like to take the bobby pin, wrap the drawstring around, and then stick it in there so you can't see the drawstring, but we're gonna do that after. So I'm gonna take the little comb right here and pull it to the back. Real easy and simple. And then I'm going to take my little drawstring, pull it all the way up there, like that, and then just wrap it around. Not too tight, because it doesn't need to be that tight. And then I'm just gonna stick it in the back so you can't see it. And now we have our ponytail on, sis. Okay, yes. Moving on to laying my edges. I'm gonna take some Got2be Gel. Okay, you don't have to use the Got2be Gel. Sometimes I don't use it either. Sometimes I just use my Eco Styler gel. But today I really want to lay them and make sure that they stay. So I'm just gonna take a little bit here. Take my finger and pull it back like that. So you got one little baby edge. Baby edge here. Just be really gentle with your edges, guys. I'm gonna take more of my Got2be Gel and just put that on her. And you can use the back of your rat tail comb or whatever you would like to use. I like to use the back of this just to make sure that it's really precise. And then I'm gonna take a little bit from right here And take some of my Eco Styler just a little bit, like this much. And then lay it right on the edge like that. You can make it kind of like up like that, yeah. Then I like to take a little bit of my Eco Styler gel and just put them right where those edges go up, just so they stay down and not like curl back up on me. Take my brush, the soft side of my brush, and just brush back up. Ah. And that is how I lay my edges. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was really helpful and easy and super simple to achieve. Let me know about any other videos that you guys want to see this week or next week, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. All right, guys, bye.